Hi guys, welcome to Dreadlocks. Today we've got Vani Krishnan who's come for his dread maintenance. He's come for the root maintenance. It can be opened, so that is why he's come over here. This is his length right now. हम लोग इसको जरा सा ट्रिम करने वाले हैं, जरा ऊपर आ जाए and he feels it's going to be like a hazard जब भी वो बाइक चलाते हैं कि वो स्पोक्स में जाएगा या टायर के बीच में जाएगा. इसके लिए उसको जरा सा कम करेंगे सेफ्टी के लिए. हाँ. We are doing some styling. We are making a tiny micro lock. So these are thick locks and this is a micro lock, a baby lock. You can see this is the difference. Once I make it, it will be more thinner. You directly squeeze the shampoo on your dread.
Yeah, and I never knew that we had to put in a bucket and the bucket, then all the dirt comes out in the bucket.
So the reason why you have to, dilute the shampoo is dreadlocks, they take in a lot of shampoo inside, and then you have to again rub it, and not every bit of the shampoo comes out. So that's why first take a normal mug is also fine. So the tub is for when you do a detox. Mug, you take a mug, put shampoo, put water, make it foamy, and then pour it. So then after that you do not need to rub your dreads. So normally people actually do not know about this, that this is the way you actually wash your dreads. Bite is like a baby bun in front of him. Baba bun.
No, this is looking nice.
Yeah, you don't know about dread guys.
Roots were joined and we made them separate.